Hey, this is Morgan Titus, sales manager of the Greenville office for America's Home Place. We're out here in the hot sun in South Carolina at a house that's being framed. Right now, this house in the framing stages is a good way to see what it looks like right before all the sheetrock and walls are put in. This is one of our mountain houses. It's called the Blue Ridge. We have several houses that are considered mountain homes, and they all have these big window system that you see behind me. It allows you to get spectacular views of the mountains or the lakes or the trees, whatever you'd like to see. In this case, this homeowner wanted to have their views of the woods behind their house, so they actually oriented their house backwards. The back door became the front door, and the front door became a back door onto a rear deck, a rear porch. And that allows them to enjoy what they consider to be the best part of the property, these wonderful woods behind me. We're excited to let our homeowners have any types of options that they like to when it comes to their site. And in most cases, homeowners will pretty much be able to freely orient their house however they like to on their property. As the framing stage wraps up, the rough-in stage starts. A rough-in it's one of three things. It's your plumbing, your electrical, or your HVAC or mechanical. Those three are called rough-ins. And what it means is the contractor comes out and installs part of that system. So he installs part of the plumbing as a rough-in, roughs it in. And then later, after the installation of walls are put up, he finishes it with what's called a trim-out stage. In this home now, we only have the plumbing roughed in. You'll be able to see we've got some rough-ins throughout the house, areas for the kitchen sink and bathroom sink and commodes and tubs. Those areas are roughed in. And you'll see the hot and cold, that's the red and the blue lines, and then the white line is the drain. It's an exciting part of the process and just another one of those steps that lets you see how your house is moving along quickly and effectively. Make sure you visit us at our website at americashomeplace.com, where you can see all of our house plans and get a feel for the types of options that you have. We look forward to meeting with you.